Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to my channel. I did this very elegant look for you today. I was actually very inspired by this dupatta I'm wearing. I wanted to do something purple with my eyes. I hope you like this look as much as I did. Now if you want to see how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. For priming my face today, I'm going to go ahead and use Tarte's Clean Slate Primer. I'm going to take some on my fingers and I'm going to go ahead and press it around my nose area. After priming, I'm going to go ahead and use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and I'm going to go into the shade Warm Coral. Using a Morphe 173, I'm going to take it around my eyes. I'm going to take it around my mouth area as well. From that same cream palette, I'm going to go into the shade Chocolate, and I'm going to take this Lorac brush. For my foundation today, I'm going to go ahead and use Fenty Beauty in the shade 300. I'm going to apply my foundation using a beauty blender, and I'm going to try not to go on the contour area until the very end. The reason I'm going to do that is because I don't want the foundation to cover my contour. For my concealer today, I'm going to go ahead and use Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Honey. I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it out. For baking today, I'm going to go ahead and use Born This Way from Too Faced. I'm going to take some on my beauty blender and bake under my eyes. While that's baking, I'm going to go ahead and go into my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to take a Morphe 535 and take it all over my crease. Next, I'm going to go into this shade right here. Using a Morphe 330, I'm going to just place it on my outer V. I'm just building this color little by little. I'm going to take it just a little bit into my crease as well. Next, I'm going to go into this darker shade right here. Using a Morphe 431, I'm going to deepen up my outer crease. I'm just going to press this color in. Using a Morphe 503, I'm going to blend it out, just in the crease area. Next, I'm going to grab my Shape Tape one more time. I'm going to take some of my concealer or Morphe 167. From the same palette, I'm going to go into the purple shade right here. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe 408. I'm going to spray it with my Urban Decay. I'm going to take that purple shade just right here, wherever we place the concealer. And I'm just pressing it onto my lid. I'm going to grab my Morphe 330 and I'm going to go into this shade right here. And I'm going to blend out the crease. Next, I'm going to grab my Urban Decay Moondust palette, and I'm going to go into the shade right here. I'm going to take some on my finger and press it on. I'm going to start this shade where the two colors meet, and I'm going to take it all the way to the inner corner of my eye. Whenever you're working with a darker shadow and you have a bake on, you want to take the powder off in one sweep. Next, I'm going to take this pencil from NYX. This is in the shade Pretty Violet. And I'm going to take it on my waterline. For my upper waterline, I'm going to go ahead and use this Marc Jacobs liner. I feel like I need a little bit more glitter in my eye, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Stila's liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Diamond Dust. I'm going to take some on my finger, and I'm going to place it in the middle. I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty eyeliner in the shade Black. I'm going to take this palette from Lorac and I'm going to mix the two shades together. I'm going to use this Japanese brush and I'm going to blend it out. And I'm really just taking this contour wherever we've contoured already under the foundation. For my highlighter today, I'm going to go into this Artist Couture highlighter, and this is in the shade Glow Money. I'm going to use Morphe 504 and I'm going to spray a little bit of my Urban Decay on it. I'm going to take it under my eyebrows as well. For my blush today, I'm going to go ahead and use Melba from MAC. I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill palette one more time. I'm going to take that shade on my Morphe 431 and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using Benefit's Cosmetic Brow Pencil in the shade 4. For mascara today, I'm going to go ahead and use L'Oreal's Lash Paradise. I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face using the Hourglass Whirl powder. I'm going to go ahead and set my face using my Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips using the MAC's Whirl Lip Liner. For my lips today, I'm going to go ahead and take this Fenty Beauty lip in the shade Uncuffed. And here's the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to say thank you for spending your time with me today, and I will see you next time. Ciao!